Hi friends, it's Julia and I am here with my November 2021 Counterfeit Kit Challenge series. This series is one that I started at the first of the year, and I create my Counterfeit Kit Challenge kit then on the 5th of the month, and then I use that kit to create 7 layouts at the end of the month. So the last 7 days of the month, that's where these will be posted. Today is number 7, so it's the last day of the month. And I will be using an 8.5 by 11 sketch, and I will show you a close-up here in just a second. I want to show you the products that I'm going to use. This one has multiple layers to it. It's got it looks like a background paper and then 2 other papers. It's got a couple of photos, an embellishment cluster here, and then maybe here where the title's at, there's a tag there for some journaling. There's some stuff tucked up in here around that. So I pulled quite a bit of stuff. Whether I use it all, I don't know. Whatever's left of this kit, I will either make more layouts or make cards with, or put it back into my stash to use at another time. So anyway, it is a fairly large kit since I added the Harper and Rebecca leftovers into it. I pulled in, let me show you what I pulled in for paper. Let me get back here. I pulled in a full sheet of this green background paper, and then I pulled in 3 scraps of paper. I have this yellow one, and I want to say this one is maybe Harper. I don't know. Same here, and then this one is from Emily. My 2 pictures, and then I pulled in embellishments, Harper chipboard tags, Harper die cuts, and then I have my Emily die cuts there that I will pull into if needed. I pulled in a pocket page card. I believe this one's from the Emily line. I pulled in several Freckled Fawn sticker sheets. So I have 4, there's 5 because there's 2 here that are the same, and then there's 3 here that are the same with the exception of those 2. So I have all those sticker sheets to use. I pulled in this Harper Alpha to create a title. I pulled in these chipboard hearts and yellow paper clips. These Felicity Jane epoxy stickers, these are from the Lindsay collection. I pulled in more washi strips. I have these, and I have these, and finally these. I pulled in these stickers, word stickers from the Emily collection, and these tabs from the Emily collection, and then these ampersands and arrows from the Shea collection. So I have all that. Let me show you a close-up, and I'll be back to show you what I've created. Okay friends, I am done with my final layout for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series for November. I did use up the final couple of stickers on this carrier sheet. I still have a duplicate of this set that I've used some off of. So into the trash this will go. Pattern paper left over. I used a portion of this, and this of course was cut off my background sheet. So that's it. It'll go into my scraps. I did use a little ephemera piece from in here. Yeah. I did use a tag from this Harper set. I did use enamel stickers, an enamel sticker from this set. I did use one die cut from in here. Make that 2. I used 2 little word phrases from in here. I did use a tab from here. I did use a couple words from this sticker sheet. I did use 3 of the hearts from here. I did use 3 of the epoxy stickers from here. I use at least 1 sticker off each of these pages. A few more. I layered quite a few stickers up this time. I did use a gold sticker. I did use washi strips from each of these packs. So you can see these are dwindling down, but I still have lots and lots of stickers. I did use an arrow from this. I did use this alphabet sticker. I used the numbers from here. Okay, I did use this set for a title and for the little hearts at the bottom. And again, I used a sketch that is 8.5 by 11 here. And here is the layout that I created. So this one is, it's busy. It's got lots of words all throughout, and that's okay. The sketch called for a lot of busyness up here. So I have my washi tape strips here, and I just layered up some tags over here and labels, and I put that big arrow from the arrows and ampersands, and then I put a couple of word phrases there, or phrases, grateful and thankful for you, and then the date on this chipboard piece. Then I did my journaling on this pocket page card that I cut into a tag shape, although it's kind of hard to tell. And I cut it down just a little bit. I layered up a stamp with the word here, layered up some more labels here, more hearts, more labels layered up, and another word phrase. And then I used one of those giant gold clips, and I put a ribbon on it and attached it to the photo. Another big ampersand here, and put run and play. And I'm just telling the story of two of my grandkids. We were at my mom's house, and she lives at a lake resort, if you will, and there's nothing to do. I mean, if you go over to the lake area, there's tons and tons to do as far as water sports and playing on. They have a man-made beach. All of that is great to do, and they have parks and walking trails, but at my mom's house, there's nothing. There's nothing. And so it's not geared up for kids in this area. It's basically lake house living that is meant as a summer residence, if you will, and she lives there year-round. So the kids, when they come, there's nothing to do unless we drive over to the lake, and that's kind of a pain. So sometimes they'll just hang out and go exploring in the forest around her house, as well as this is all her backyard, and her backyard is like 3 acres. You know, and it's hills, and so the kids get out there and they run and they play and they have a great time. There's no park equipment, there's no swing sets, there's no nothing here, so you have to be creative in how you're thinking to play out here. Anywho, they had a great time. They played, they explored, they did a lot of running and just general activity like that, and got to know their cousins quite well. So that was the biggest thing for me, is them getting to spend time with their family. Anyway, this is the last layout for my Counterfeit Kit Challenge series for the month of November 2021. If you would like to see the other layouts, please head over to my channel there, and I will put a link up in the corner for the playlist for the Counterfeit Kit Challenge playlist, as well as the November 2021 playlist, and it will have all the layouts that I've made in November, all the videos that I've put up in November. Anyway, I appreciate you guys being here, and I would love it if you would flip me a thumbs up, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.